What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And again, just want to say thank you people for all the likes, thank you for all the subs, thank you for all the support you guys have been given. And we at Silver Lake again, guys. I've done it again, and I've bought 2 more cars from Silver Lake. I do like this place. They sell parts and the cars seem to be all right. One of them is a dealer disposal and one of them is just a police disposal. So that car doesn't come with any documents or any paperwork. Wish me luck, it drives home. That's the one I'm picking up today. And the other one will be taken out the yard, leaving it somewhere along the road or wherever. We'll taxi, obviously. He has got MOT. And fingers crossed, that's a dealer disposal. Fingers crossed that one drives home safe. But I won't bore you too much. Don't forget to like and share. Let's go and pick up this car that we're getting today. And don't forget to sub as well. Nice. Yeah, boy. Guy's gone. Right, guys, we are literally just here now, and I've gone inside, I've checked in and done all the good stuff. I'm just waiting for them to bring the car out now. Wish me luck. Hopefully the car works perfect and gets me home safe. Fingers crossed. Peugeot 107, we got about 71,000 on the clock. We got a dent here, which I'm just going to pop out. Other than that, guys, the car drives really nice. A little dent in the seal at the bottom, as you can see down there. I think we paid out the door. I think I paid 420 quid for this. Starts and drives, clutch is really good on it. We'll polish out that bit there and touch up what needs touching up. Oil level's really good. Oh yeah, and the wing, obviously, this is the biggest fault on it. This is the problem here, but yeah, looks good. And interior, oh my god, this is nice and clean. Look at that. Interior is nice. I love the seats on this, quite bucket seat sort of thing. But yeah, it's a 3-door. Normally I've got a 5-door one. Back seats look okay. Got some crisps in the back. This could have been another family car. Loads of sand at the back, so this is probably a local car because it's obviously got sand and we're at the seaside here. But yeah, let's give it a little rev. Oh no, we got 96 on the clock. Just call it 95. No, 97,000. Right, guys, we are on the move. I've just topped up the 107 with fuel. The red one, that is. The grey one I've got parked. It's taxed, it's MOT'd. I've got that parked up. When I first started, the grey one, it had a bit of smoke out the exhaust, really loud. I think someone's taken the cats off for the silence because it's absolutely loud. However, the car drives really nice. Gears are really good on it. Interior, amazing. And the bodywork is obviously good as well. The red one, we do have a dent in the side of the door. I've got about 100 miles back or 95 miles back now. And it's about 1 hour, 40 minutes, 45 minutes drive. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how this red one copes with the journey. It seems to drive really well. There is a vibration or rattling noise. I think these are really rattly cars, pretty similar to the Nissan Pixel. They do rattle a lot or vibrate when they're on idle. So it could be the exhaust pipe, could be just shaking and heat in the underneath of the car in the exhaust tunnel. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So far so good. Car's driving amazing. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and look what's behind me. Peugeot 107 Move. This is a dealer disposal. Car drives amazing. When I first got this car, guys, it was smoking. I thought the head gasket had gone. I checked the coolant level because I couldn't actually see. It goes quite low. But actually stick your head in a little bit and you get to see the coolant level. Coolant level was perfect coolant, low oil as expected with these little things. I think I topped up about 1.5 liters, 2 liters. But it's a stunning car. We do have documents with this car. I don't know if we've got service history. It did say it came with service history, but I do have a logbook for this car. It's HPR clear. It's got 121,000 on the clock. It does have MOT. As you can hear, the car's running. You probably can't hear but the wind, but let me flip the camera around to do a little walk around. Have a look at that, guys. Stunning little thing. It's not in that bad condition. I think out the door this car owes me about 600, 650 maybe. I'll make sure I get all the numbers on screen at some point in the later stage when these cars go, but for now let's just do a little walk around. As you can see, it's an urban move, and urban move interior is really good, clean. Other than that, look at that, stunning, mate. Carpets are nice and clean. I love the seats. This is a 3-door, by the way. Little rev counter. Listen to the little exhaust pipe they got on it. No smoke from it, but it sounds like the back box got a hole in it, or they've cut out a silencer. Have a look though. Have a look. Lovely little thing. We do have a little issue here with the bumper. I'll have a look at it. Could be just clips. I will try fit it or fix it now. See how strong it is. It potentially is really strong because I have been driving the car. I have driven it here. We did take the car out yesterday. It's a 2008 with 121 on the clock. I like it. I'll pop the bonnet. There we go, guys. Shaky little engine, that's standard. Don't mind the oil. I did spill oil when I was trying to top it up. But nice and quiet. Gears work really well. Let's get a thumbnail for you guys. Right guys, let me just shut the door. But yeah, the 107 got home perfectly fine. It's gone for MOT. I will be picking it up. Maybe it's left at the MOT. I think I'll probably pick it up today or tomorrow. We don't have documents for that car just yet, so I will be doing a V62 tomorrow. We can't actually tax the vehicle, and I think I said early on in the video that I will, or yesterday's video, that I will do a demonstration that you can't tax a vehicle without documentation. So stay tuned guys. I am going to make my way home. I'm not going to bore you guys. Right guys, as you can see, car is maintaining revs. She's driving really good. Got the rev counter there. Everything's working perfect. Let me just turn this radio down. And yeah, she's driving okay, man. Accelerate, put my foot down. Picks up nicely. No noises, no nothing. Driving okay, man. This is the last car we've got to pick up, or maybe not. Stay tuned to find out. So far, so good. We're almost home. Got about an hour journey, hour into it, and she's driving okay. So really happy with that. Clutch is good, gear is good, everything's still good. Yeah, I'll update you when I get back. We'll do a nice little walk around properly of this here and the other car. If not, we'll do it in another video. Stay tuned. Let's see how dark it is when I get back, and that will determine what I do. See you when I get back. What is going on, people? Welcome back to the same video and a different day. I'm now at Euro Car Parts. I need to get an exhaust clamp because the Peugeot 107 has failed on its MOT due to emissions. I've got a brand new exhaust pipe for the car. It's been fitted. We just need to get a clamp, taken it to the MOT station for a retry, and while it's on the ramps, I'm going to fit the clamp and get a retry. Fingers crossed it passes. Get the car cleaned up because someone should be come to see this car tomorrow, and fingers crossed the car does sell. Stay tuned. Guys, as you can see, we got a brand new back box on there. Just whacked a new clamp, the one I just picked up from Euros. I mean, the car's pretty mint underneath as well. Have a look at her. She's looking good, mate. Good discs, pretty much brand new. You know, no leaks at all. Look at the sump, no leaks at all. You know, rust free, which is always a good thing. You know, that's just surface rust, not even that bad, you know. But it's looking good. Right guys, as you can see, look at the sweat on me, mate. This is like crazy. Just getting this car sorted. It's past its MOT, guys. It's got its new exhaust pipe, as you guys seen. Just doing a few final things. Back bumper did have a few marks, some scuffs. I have touched that up. I'm going to give it a little polish, so fingers crossed it comes out really well. And what else? Oh yeah, hubcaps. The hubcaps got a few scrapes on them, so I'm actually going to get them off right now. Give them a lick of paint, clean them up, sand them down, lick of paint, put them back on the car, and hopefully this car looks absolutely amazing for the customer that's coming to pick it up tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. I will keep you people updated. Let's have a look at the bumper, what it's looking like now that I've touched it up, and I'll show you what the hubcaps look like, and then show you what they look like after. So let's have a look. You can see that I've painted it, but it's actually looking pretty right. I'm going to give it a quick little polish, and this one as well. It is what it is, man. and hubcaps. So that's what that's looking like. I could have got a tin of black paint just to give the underneath, but it's a cheap car. So yeah, it's a cheap car. Pretty good condition, to be fair. It's had new discs and stuff like that. But let's get these hubcaps painted. Right guys, they're all sprayed up, looking a bit decent. So just a they went from that to that. Pretty decent. Right guys, she is looking clean. Hubcaps all nice and done. I mean, I could have done the wheels behind the hubcaps, the steelies, I could have done them all black, but it is what it is, man. Car's getting so cheap. We'll run through the numbers tomorrow. If he takes the car, I'll run through the numbers. If not, then we've got to wait until the car sells before I can run through the numbers for obvious reasons. But back bumper's looking legit, and that car's still there. No birds in the nest. Let's have a look at the interior. Yes sir. I mean, I'm going to wipe down the plastics in here, but the seats are looking a lot better than there was. You know, carpets, new carpets, all that kind of good stuff. Just looking good. The rear of the car, nice, you know, done. Right, as you can see, the car's looking legit, and since we had this MOT, we found out a few new things about the cars that I didn't know. It's got 2 front discs, 2 front pads. Front discs have been done, front pads have been done, 2 front struts have been done. What else? Completely rust free besides minor, very minor surface rust, as you've seen in the video. Car's got 122,000 on the clock. Interior is really good, besides the minor dirt that it's got. Maybe £1,300, and I won't be taking any offers on it because this car is well worth it. It's had a new back box as well fitted to the car, as you guys seen. Yeah, he's getting an absolute bargain. Great tires all round. Car is good. I think since I've had this car put 1,000 miles or just under 1,000 miles on it, and it works perfect. So I can vouch for the fact that when I say my car's in full working order, they really are. And obviously an advisory free MOT minus the minor surface rust that the guy said it had, which I think is a bit stupid because what car doesn't have that minor surface rust? Anyways, it is what it is. Car's looking good. Let's see if the car goes. So fingers crossed. Guys, looks like I didn't make it. Miles away from mine. Gutted. Absolutely gutted. Show you what I had though. Let's have a look what we got in the back.